in this course, you have two what we call current issues papers that are due. One's due the second week of the course and one's due the fourth week of the course. Each of these you do individually, okay? And so the details on each you will find in Appendix A, okay? So the goal here is just to kind of get a deeper understanding of consumer behavior concepts as they're basically related to contemporary issues, okay? So it allows you to learn or gain some currency in the whole field of consumer behavior, okay? So in the first paper, basically all you do is just identify and highlight and discuss the ways in which technology has changed consumer behavior over the last 15 years, okay? Talk about 5 different ways, okay? And give evidence of each, not just say, well, you know, we shop on our smartphones now, you know, give some example of maybe how many people actually do that, so on and so on, okay? Any sources that you use need to be cited and need to be cited correctly, okay? It does have to be APA format, so make sure that you do follow that, okay? So this is due on the second Friday in the course, okay? Current issue paper number 2, basically you're going to address the question, is limitless choice a good thing? In today's world, we have access to so many more choices than we used to decades ago. So is this a good thing or a bad thing? We tend to think it's a good thing, but maybe it's not. So this is just an argumentative kind of debate style paper, okay? So you need to include these 5 sections. An introduction, just basically discuss the purpose of the paper, what is the issue. Yes, talk about why limitless choice is a good thing, okay? Give some examples. Then the next section, provide arguments for why limitless choice is not a good thing. Well, you know, what are some of the problems with it, okay? Use the book to strengthen your argument by applying concepts, both in the yes section and the no section, okay? Section 4, take a side, okay? So clearly articulate your position on the issue. Are you agreeing with yes or are you agreeing with no, okay? Give some examples, give some concepts from the book to support your position, and so on and so on. So I've assigned this in courses in the past, and a common mistake students make is they basically only discuss their side. So if they agree with yes, they skip the no section. But you need to both give a yes paragraph and a no paragraph, and then in section 4, you take a side. Which side are you on? Okay. And again, this is just kind of like a debate where you kind of acknowledge the other side, but then you take a side once kind of discussing the benefits or each side of the argument. Okay. And then finally, in section 5, just a very brief paragraph where you reiterate the main points of your side. Okay. And like you're trying to sell me. I'm not really sure. I'm kind of on the fence. You convince me. Try to convince me why you think that yes, limitless choice is good, or no, it's not a good thing. Okay. So for both papers, they should be 3 pages, double spaced, 12-point times New Roman font. Okay. It should be technically clean, APA format, all that good stuff. Okay. So current issues paper is due the second Friday in the course, and current issues paper number 2 is due the fourth Friday in the course.